Hey everybody, this is Eric with Phone Scoop, and we're taking a look at the LG G3. This is the Korean company's flagship handset for 2014. The key features of this device is one that's readily apparent here: the display. 5.5 inches on the diagonal, and it has a quad HD display with resolution, which is 2560 by 1440 pixels, and LG says it has a pixel density of 538 pixels per inch, which is as high as they get, folks, at least on a modern smartphone. No buttons on the front. We're using software buttons here, and the display, you can see, takes up an incredible proportion of the front face. 8.9 millimeters thick. It's actually rather thin. We've got ports there on the bottom, which are your headphone jack and micro USB.
Good press conference so far.
Of course, on the back of the device, you can see the
you guys get some nice
focus here.
Outside right now, so.
The design carries over what we saw in the G2 last year, in that the buttons are on the back. We've got a volume toggle with the home button there, right in the center of the two, and we've got a 13 megapixel camera with optical image stabilization, and this is a laser assisted focus. We've got a laser that will flash towards the subject and help determine the distance between the two to assist in focus, and we've got a dual LED flash. The LG is marketing the device as metallic, but don't be fooled, it is not made of metal. The back plate here is actually plastic material and is covered in a metallic film. It is not actually metal. And yeah, it's slippery, as you can see there. We'll try to get back to the home screen. LG has, of course, made a number of changes to its user interface. You can see the tone of the colors is different. We've got, we'll go to the home screen, home menu here. Notification shade, we've got rounded buttons here, kind of similar to what we saw on the Galaxy S5 and, of course, iOS 7 from Apple. Settings, you can see they're laid out in tabs here, which we've seen from LG before. Back to home, and we've got the phone app here, which is a pretty standard phone app. We've got the messaging app, which is not set up yet. We've got some different elements here on the home screens. You can see they've got different things set up. A lot of pastels and browns make up the color palette of the user interface. The overall feel is nice. The buttons on the back have a decent feel to them. I won't say that they're amazing and easy to use, but they're there. They don't feel as cheap as they did on last year's phone. And the design is nice. It's appealing. I like the overall look. It's really hard to... There we go. Be available in several colors. All 4 major U.S. carriers are going to sell it, and pricing was not shared. You can expect it to be between $200 and $250 on contract, though. Probably same as all the other devices that are out there. So there we go. Quick look at the LG G3.